Everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use TubeBuddy for YouTube growth. So first and foremost, you just have to simply go to TubeBuddy, and then you will see that in order for you to add this to your YouTube, you need to add this to your Chrome first or install this one. So install browser extension, sign in with your YouTube Google account, allow permission. Once installed, you will see TubeBuddy tools directly inside your YouTube, which is probably you need to connect first everything here, allow, and then when you go back to your YouTube channel, you should see the YouTube icon on the right side. You can also go to extensions and pin this one. So here you will see different features, and one of this is the keyword explorer. So this is the number one tool for YouTube growth. How to use it, you just have to simply select keyword explorer. You can type your video topic like how to grow YouTube subscribers fast. Now, this one is very important. After you have typed, then TubeBuddy will show search volume, how many people search it, competition, how hard it is to rank, overall score, green, equivalent to good, related keywords, and trending searches. So once you found it, the goal is find keywords with high search volume. If not, then do not use this as your title. Low, medium competition, and good overall score. So use these keywords in your title, description, tags, script. This dramatically increases search traffic. So once you have upload or while uploading, you can add tags to your video. You can do also A/B testing for thumbnails. You can do competitor analysis. So TubeBuddy allows you to track to 20 channels similar to yours. Also SEO Studio. Use Click Magnet to identify winning content, upload checklist, use TubeBuddy Analytics, best time to publish, subscribe engagement, retention patterns, traffic resources, and viewer behavior. Create a TubeBuddy growth routine. So basically, these are the features that you can unlock and install using TubeBuddy. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.